Hi, my name is William, and I will be presenting my presentation for the Peru Islands. So yeah, let's go. Peru Islands. The Peru floating islands are a patch of human-made islands in Peru that are home to the Euro people. These islands are handmade with mostly clay and reeds that are weaved together. These reeds and clay usually disintegrate over time, though, making it so that the residents have to add more often. There are also 70 main islands on the lake. These patches of land are home to almost 400 families. These families love to introduce tourists and visitors to their island and share their culture with them. The Euro people have lived on the lake of islands for almost 4,000 years. Here's an image of tourists peacefully visiting the beautiful islands. What are the social impacts of tourism on this local population? There are a few social impacts that affect the Euro population. One negative fact is that their food sources are running lower and lower every day due to the fact that the tourists and commercial fishermen are overfishing the water and leaving very few fish left to eat. And this is a positive effect. The culture of the Euros are being shared amongst the tourists, and they may know and teach others how to live and survive for centuries. What are the economic impacts of tourism on this local population? The locals earn money due to the fact that it costs a certain amount of money to visit or stay at the Euro Islands. Many tiny businesses like handcrafts, art, and tour businesses thrive on tourism to earn their money. The Euro Islands don't supply free food though, and if you would like to buy food, you must go to one of the few tiny food marts, which supply a good chunk of the island's food. The more tourists that visit the island equals the more money directed to the island from the tourists. But there are many environmental downsides with tourism to these islands, like pollution, overfishing, air quality downgrade, and much more. So here's one of the pictures of goods and souvenirs. This is like what they sell, like at a shop. What two suggestions do you have for minimizing harmful impacts of tourism on this indigenous community? Include other suggestions if you have more than two. I believe that the tourists should take more videos or pictures to solidify the Euro culture and make it so people remember it for generations on generations. I also believe that the fishermen should find other lakes or seas elsewhere to fish due to the fact that overfishing the lake may lead to a massive decrease in food for the Euro people. Also, overfishing can lead to gas leaks if it's a gas boat, and it can really destroy the lake and pollute it a lot, and it's not very healthy for the people to be drinking that water if they do drink it. Now, I also believe that the tourists that visit the islands should bring more money and spend a good chunk on the island's industry. Some of the island's industry includes tours, food, water, art, and more. The reason why tourists should do this is so that the islands prosper, do not become broke, or have insufficient funds to support overall tourism. Here's a general image of overfishing and how it could be very bad, and here it is. Here's my bibliography, and thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and sorry if I look a bit tired. I've been staying up a lot, just doing a whole bunch of work because I'm a big procrastinator, and bye.